What is going on, guys? It has been way too long since we've got on here and done anything, so I have a lot of updates. Don't mind the mess down here. It is a mess for a purpose. But here's what I'm going to show you to start off the bat. So it's been a while. Sinister, you already know about. We've seen Sinister many of times. But you do know that I do have a 1994 318i that I purchased, and we did last season with it. We did 4 or 5 drift events with it. Stock motor, just a 1.8 liter, and I think it's like 100 something horsepower. Just getting around the track and doing what we needed to do, and it wasn't bad at all. I'm trying to learn as good as I can on that. But the big project that we have for this year, I hold off on Sinister on doing what I wanted to do for this season. Considering last season, with the COVID and everything, we really didn't get to show off the setup that was done to it. So I figured I'm going to hold off. I'm going to let him sit, and I'm going to stay the same style that I have on it now. And let a little more people see it. A little more shows should be coming out this year, considering, we're starting to clear out, hopefully. But with that said, I did go another route. So I decided to put a little more into my drift car and see what goes on with it. So without further ado, and again, I've been lazy on this. I'm already halfway tearing it apart. We got a little bit we're going to do today, but here it is. Ta-da! Anyways, what this is, if for people that don't know, this is a 5.3 LS. This is from a 2004 Chevy Express van. I got it from my good friend Ryan Brown. I do have a video of it coming home and all the struggle that we had getting it out and this and that, which wasn't really a struggle considering he runs, a junkyard part-time, so he just pretty much lifted it up, ripped it right out for us. But as you can see here, I'm going to turn on the light for us. Got a little bit of light. I'm able to do this in the nice finished basement and everything like that, and really been helping. So it's kind of just a project of when I have time to kind of just come down here, enjoy taking it apart and figuring stuff out. I've never dealt with, if you want to say muscle car, engine-wise or anything like that. No domestic engines. I've always had imports just because I've never been able to afford anything like that. Imports are always cheaper, obviously. So, but now I got the opportunity to run some muscle, and I definitely want to. So again, 5.3 LS, so pretty much almost taken down apart. You can see here, it is really, really dirty. I don't think they changed the oil in it too much. I mean, you're just flaking on that pretty bad. But we're going to get it cleaned up and taken apart. I don't know how many miles are on it. Weather regardless, the bottom end's good, but everything else is pretty much getting replaced. So we really don't have to worry about anything being bad. I mean, I got all new everything. As you can see here, we have the TBSS, the third Trailblazer SS intake manifold. We got a 92mm throttle body for that. We got the headers here. We're going to run them backwards so we don't have to worry about with all the small space in the 318. So we're just going to run them out the front fender. I'm going to turn them and run them out and do all that. New handbrake. I mean, these are just boxes and boxes. I still have boxes upstairs of everything too. But it's pretty much where we are now, is just kind of dilly-dallying around, because to be honest, right now the 4-cylinder in there is still running, and it's running good. It's got 225,000 miles, I think, on it. And I'm beating the piss out of it, and it's still taking it. So, and I still need to learn to drift a lot better. So, again, this is more of a project of just kind of when we get to it and do it. When it's done, or when the 4-cylinder blows, then we'll jump on it a little harder to get into it and get it in. But for right now, this is what the videos are going to be, is just kind of catching up with the teardown, considering we've taken a shitload apart already. But today, my brother's coming over, and I think we're going to dive into taking the rockers out and everything, and getting the heads off. So I think I'm going to take them up to Joel's, power wash them out, put them in a parts cleaner, try to get all this gunk out. Same thing with the valve covers and everything. But other than that, I mean, this is all coming off. Like I said, pretty much everything's getting replaced that you see. I already have everything either here or ordered and just waiting for it to come in. But yeah, that's going to be the project. Pulling these all out and cleaning everything up. So As for that, I mean, I'm trying to think of what else I can really put on there. I mean, other than we're just gonna be this video of us tearing this down, seeing where we get with the head, seeing how clean we can get everything. I can take you a walk around. I know, like I said, it's been a while since I've done any videos on the channel, so for anybody that doesn't know, this is the main car that I have. Is the 2016 Hyundai Veloster. I've been working on it since I bought it brand new in 2016. As you can see, I mean, it's not really a part that's not touched on this vehicle at all. I mean, there's not really anything that hasn't been done at all. So I can do a video on that if you guys want to see. The older videos that are on my channel, they're definitely from way before I've completed what you see here. So, I mean, I can do that if you guys want. Then I got a new toy. Another new toy for this year. I got a brand new 2021 Z650. I loved the little one so much, the little Zs that we have, me and the wife have one, that I had to get into a bigger one. I wanted a bigger one. My back from deployment and stuff is screwed up. So me riding a crotch rocket anymore is really not in the cards. The Cruiser I had was fun. I love the Cruiser. But just riding this thing so much, I loved it and just wanted something a little faster. So there'll be maybe some videos with that, but that's the new thing there. But yeah, if you guys want to see anything on this, let me know and go into details and shit like that. But other than that, I'll take you outside real quick. We'll take a look at the drift car. It's had some upgrades since I've done some videos on it. It's pretty much just a shit paint job I did on it. And some parts here and there. My great friend Trenton did an amazing job on creating a bash bar for me and decided to do a wing on it. He wanted to make his own little mark on the car itself. So, walk out here. Shit, snow. I hate PA so bad. Bourbon. But, there she is. Nothing special. But like I said, that big ass wing that Trenton did for me. But we did a custom bash bar the whole way around just in case I get into the wall or somebody else or something like that. But it's really nothing special. I mean, we pretty much got everything that needs to be in it for right now. I mean, everything's taken out. This is all going to get painted. I got a whole new roll cage to go in the whole thing for when I get good enough to tandem. I got to make the seat brackets for the new seat over there. That'll be done soon. But pretty much everything's done in here. I'm going to spray everything black in here, paint everything, so it's all one color. I mean, there's a lot of changes coming for it this year. We do have a quick tuning wide body kit for it. Brand new wheels for like when we take it to shows or something like that, especially to go along with the LS. Some nice Kenzai wheels. They're going to be really nice on the car. Angle kit, some other things. We'll do videos when they come in and shit, but I mean, that's pretty much what it is right now. It's just simple. It does the job, it gets around, and it'll start getting better and better. So, yeah. Got my little baby Yoda. So, as for that, that's pretty much what's going on. I just wanted to give everybody an update for the people that watch the channel. It's been a very long time, and I've just been really fucking lazy about doing anything. I don't know why. I enjoy doing these videos, but just a pain in the ass on the editing. I'm not even gonna lie about that. So, yeah. So right now, he's gonna come over. We're gonna tear this thing apart, tear the heads off, get everything organized, try to clean it up and tear it down. So when we get to that part, we'll come back to the video and show you guys how that is. So, not really anything exciting. Just wanted to start logging the progress of everything that's on this. So, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Thank you. start this off, we have beverages being poured. Because you can't go wrong with a little bit of SoCo for your help. And there's the puppers. Jade's down here. Say hi, Jade. Say hi. So that's Jade. So here we got, as I said, we'd be back. So we got everything off. And on both sides. So everything's clean. This side is way better looking. I mean, there's hardly anything up the top here. Regardless, everything's going to get power washed. Parts cleaned. But right now, got, if for anyone that doesn't know, which a lot of you already know, pull all these bolts out there. We got the bolts inside, and then we got the bolts down here. And free these heads off. We gotta take this and this off too. So free them heads out, and we'll get a look and see what's underneath the old little party here. So wish us luck. I don't know how that's gonna fucking go. Oh,
Dirty.
dirty. But we got the okay from Joel that it actually looks pretty damn decent, and we shouldn't have no issues. So, yeah, okay, we need that. You need to crap that. You'll crap that one? Okay. So that gasket's off. We're down in here. As you can see, I'm not proficient in engine building or engine anything. I more or less, you know, love to build the cars and update and upgrade and everything like that. As it goes into this is me being a complete idiot and trying to say, hey, look, I'm going to put an engine together. Which pretty much it's me, my family, and friends teaching me, hey, dumbass, don't do it this way. So hence why I have him. But from the instructions of Joel and everything, it's like I said, I'm just tear downs what's going on right now, getting to where we need to get to. So we're getting the heads off. One head's off now. The other head's going to come off here. I mean, it was fairly easy. I know I say easy now, which is surprising because I know a lot of people have come and taken apart engines and they've just been complete shit and this and that. So I'm getting pretty lucky with everything coming loose as easy as it is. And we haven't had no issues with this side. There's no indication of anything being cracked or any of the pistons being wrong. Joel said the walls look good. I know I'm blabbering on, and a lot of you are going to be like, he has no clue what he's talking about. And I agree with you. So, but now we're going to get this head off. And once we get that off, we'll take a look at that, see how that looks. And then we're going to attempt to get the balancer off and then the timing cover. So I think that'll be the end of the day when we get to that point. We still have the oil pan to take off. I got an F-body style oil pan to fit on the Beamer, so everything works that way. So, but yeah, everything's organized in here for when we take it to the parts machine. Everything's good there. We're going to keep rolling with that, and we'll see how it turns out, and hopefully we'll have this thing torn down by the end of the day, or in a couple hours here, or whatever. It depends on how much of that we go through. So, all right. Moving. Alright, so both heads are off. It's not looking too bad. Not looking too bad at all. I'm very happy with this engine. So just a lot of cleanup that needs to be done. But it all looks good. I think we're gonna be gold with this bottom end. I think we're gonna be happy, and I think it's all gonna turn out well. So get a few more things off. Like I said, let's see if we can get this timing cover off here. Hey guys, we are cleaned up. We have finished for the day. And I'm gonna say it's a hell of a lot of progress from where we started. So we got both the heads off. We've checked everything. We've got all the coolant and everything out of the engine. We got the bolt out of the balancer, but the problem is we don't have the pulley, or not the pulley, the fuck you call it?
It's a pulley.
Okay,
It's a pulley.
fine. The pulley to pull that off, so we can't get to the timing cover, unfortunately. So this is where it's going to stop for the day. But not too bad. Overall, it was a damn productive day, especially even with SoCo. A damn good day. All the parts are there. We're getting ready. I'm going to take them up to Joel's, and I'm going to power wash them, and parts clean them, everything like that. Get them all ship shape, whatever the fuck you want to call it. I'm probably going to pick away at this tomorrow and try to get it as clean as I can. You know, just detail, because I want to paint the whole engine. So, but it's going to take a little bit to get it clean. But overall, that's a damn good day for a couple of hours of bullshitting around and getting it done. So we'll come back with the next one, and we'll see how it goes. See you guys soon. Take care.